This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075 and the helpline for Meghalaya are 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Centre has asked all states and union territories to maintain a strict watch on the COVID situation with focused district-level measures for containment of clusters of new positive cases. In a letter to Chief Secretaries and Administrators of all states and union territories, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said that in case of any district reporting a surge in cases or rise in positivity rate, intensive action and local containment must be initiated. He said that 8 districts in 3 states, Mizoram, Kerala and Sikkim, have been reporting more than 10% of positive cases in the past 2 weeks. In Assam, ICMR-RMRC Dibrugarh, led by senior scientist Dr. Biswajit Borkakoty, has prepared a kit that enables detection of Omicron variant within 2 hours. This is important because as of now, a minimum of 36 hours is required for targeted sequencing and 4 to 5 days for the whole genome sequencing to detect the variant. Internal validation has shown that the tests are 100% accurate. The kit is being synthesized in bulk based on ICMR-RMRC Dibrugarh's design by a 100% Make in India Kolkata-based biotech company GCC Biotech on PPP mode. Meghalaya Health Minister James K. Sangma has stressed the importance of vaccines in tackling the pandemic and the state's preparedness in tackling the new strain of Omicron variant of COVID-19. Sangma said that the health department is going for a vaccination drive with a renewed vigor to increase the vaccine coverage, not just for single doses but for both doses, stating that the state is fully prepared to fight the new strain. He said that the department is also monitoring the entry points so that any kind of spread from visitors who enter into the state can be avoided. On the status of prefab structures for setting up of COVID-19 hospitals in the state, the health minister said that most of them are ready. A national helpline against atrocities of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes will be launched today. The helpline is being launched with an aim to ensure proper implementation of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act, which was enacted with a view to prevent atrocities on members of SCs and STs. The helpline will be available round the clock on toll-free number 14566. The service will be available in Hindi, English and regional language of the states and union territories. The objective of the helpline is to build informed awareness about the provision of the law that are aimed at ending discrimination and provide protection to all. Manipur yesterday observed Nupee Lal Day to remember brave womenfolk of the state who fought against the monopolistic trade interest of British colonial rulers in 1939. The observation was held in different places of the state and the state-level function was held at Nupee Lal Memorial Complex, Imphal, in the presence of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, ministers, MLAs, officials of the state government and the general public. The Chief Minister led the gathering in offering floral tributes to the Nupee Lal statue. A drama that depicted the Nupee Lal of 1939 was also staged. The Chief Minister announced that the present Nupee Lal complex at Imphal would be developed into a modern complex soon and the state government has earmarked 1.30 crore rupees in the budget for this purpose. The 149th death anniversary of freedom fighter Patugan Sangma was observed yesterday. Meghalaya Chief Minister paid tribute to the freedom fighter from Garo Hills of Meghalaya on his death anniversary. He said that Patugan Sangma is a symbol of valor and strength and his story will always inspire the people of the state. Meghalaya police also paid tribute and homage to the gallant warrior Patugan Sangma. The Kalyan Asram Meghalaya also observed the day at Zigzag Secondary School Zigzag in the presence of former MDCs, of the Garo Autonomous District Council, Boston Marak and Bhupendra Hajong. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.